टाटा कंपनी को सबसे पहले बधाई देता हूँ ऐसे अच्छे और उच्च विचार के काम करने के लिए। दूसरा, मैं सभी ट्रांसपोर्टरों को जिनके ड्राइवर अभी तक जिस स्टेज पर आए हैं उनको बधाई देता हूँ कि ऐसे अप्रिशिएट ड्राइवर काबिल बनाए जिससे कि हमारा नाम और कंपनी का नाम आगे आए।
It's a big opportunity which TML has started up with a big initiative of providing such a huge platform to the Indian drivers as well as to the transporters for doing their branding. And such initiatives don't come easy. It's the creativity and the hard work of the Tata Motors team which made this to happen now. And it's a pleasure that we are associated with this whole concept.
Excellent initiative taken by the Tata Motors, and who else it should be? They're the leading player among all the peers, among all the competitors, and huge opportunity for the transport company as well as the drivers. India is never known to have a good platform or good infrastructure for drivers, and by taking up this thing and by coming up with this thing, Tata Motors has given a huge platform to the complete driver fraternity across Pan India.
टाटा कंपनी ने जो ये मुहिम चालू किया है बहुत एप्रिशिएटेबल है, बहुत सराहनीय कदम है ये। इससे बहुत कुछ मोटिवेट हुआ। ड्राइवर्स को मोटिवेट करना हमारे सबसे बड़े लक्ष्य है। इस समय ड्राइवर्स की डे बाय डे हिंदुस्तान में प्रॉब्लम बढ़ती जा रही है। ऐसे मोटिवेट करने से कंपनी का बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट आएगा और इसको हम बहुत ही तारीफ़े काबिल बनाते हैं।
We have got a history of about 30 years in the car carrier, and to be honest, we are known to be among the best, at least among the top 5 across Pan India. Obviously, our drivers who leads the company and who's the backbone of our industry as well. So without drivers, that won't be possible. Such sort of a thing, when it came up, we are very excited, obviously. And the certain drivers whom we know personally, they can perform at that level. And we thought about it. And obviously then the professional training provided by the Tata Motors and the professional and the way our drivers handle it professionally, that's another part which we need to appreciate. And rest is history now. Ours is among the top 17. So good luck to him. How I feel excellent about it, number one. Number two, the chances is 100%. There's nothing less than 100% I believe in. He's among the best we have out in our company. And I think he's among the best across Pan India as well. He's quite an experienced guy. He's been with us from 10 years. He's a part of transport industry as a driver from over 20 years. He's young, he's energetic, he's passionate about driving. That's the key. And we wish him all the best. And I know the best man win, and I hope he's the best.
It's a huge opportunity they are getting from Tata Motors now, and anyone, whether it's Anand or some other driver of any other transporter, whoever wins it, it's a life changer for him, and he will definitely be getting it on the international platform, which will obviously benefiting him more. So it's definitely a life changer.
So by taking up such sort of initiative, what Tata Motors did is given a huge platform, is given a huge area where they can feel much important. Their families can feel much important. And those who wants to become a driver are not sure about it, are in sort of a gray area, whether they should go ahead or not. They should feel about it. Yes, it's an important part, it's an important job I'm doing. And Tata Motors and my company where I'm working is making me feel important, making me feel that yes, I'm the part of it. And so let's move, let's go ahead. So it's a strong message, especially for driver recruitments now as well. So we can come up with these things. So great job.